Hello everyone, my name is Rachel Breaux-Lee and I will be presenting on how a modified science lesson that includes environmental studies affects student opinions and attitudes about climate change and global environmental issues. In my research, I came across a study that implemented environmental studies into the earth science curriculum. The study was conducted in Taiwan and Australia, and in both studies, researchers found that the student opinions about climate change and overall global environmental issues had altered after the lesson. Students in both studies became more aware and more accepting of the causes of environmental issues around them. Therefore, I decided that I wanted to try to do a similar study in an American room so that teachers and researchers can identify the importance of implementing environmental studies into our current curriculum. Since I am not currently teaching, for this study I had to fabricate my data, but if I were to actually conduct this study in a classroom, I would implement the following procedures. In order to find out what current attitudes and opinions students have on environmental issues, I created a short 5-question survey and asked all students in 4 earth science classrooms to complete it prior to a lesson on the water cycle. Then I split the classes up and taught one using the same lesson plan that had been used in previous years, and then taught the others using a modified lesson plan that implemented environmental studies. Then I gave all the students the same survey again to see if their attitudes and/or. Again, these results are fabricated, but in my study, the pre-survey results indicated that 78% of students either disagreed or felt neutral on environmental topics. After the lesson, the number dropped to only 31%. The control group, which was the class that received the normal lesson, shifted slightly to 71% of the students disagreeing or feeling on environmental topics. But the classes that received the modified lesson had a huge shift to only 6% disagreeing. This proved that a modified lesson plan that included environmental studies brought more awareness about global environmental issues and changed students' attitudes and opinions regarding climate change. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to answering any of your questions.